In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to wirelessly screen mirror your Google Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro to any smart TV. Now, before we start, I just want to make something clear. The Google Pixel can only screen mirror to any TV or any smart TV that has the Google infrastructure. So that basically means a Google smart TV, like a TCL smart TV running on Google OS, or if you have another TV like this LG smart TV, which does not have the Google infrastructure, then you might need a Chromecast or a Google TV box or something that is Google to be able to screen mirror your Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro. Now, for instance, I have this LG smart TV, but then I have a Google set-top box connected to it. So all I have to do is change my HDMI input to the Google TV. Okay, and then once I do that, now this could be a Google TV box or a Chromecast. Okay, now once it's connected, screen mirroring the Pixel is very easy. So all I need to do is swipe down from the top right corner of the screen and swipe again to have access to these quick settings. If I can get the focus right. On the quick settings menu, just scroll and find the screencast option, that one right there. So it's currently off. Now if I tap on that, it's going to detect my Google devices. So you can see my Mi box has been detected. That's that Google set-top box I was talking about. So all I need to do now is select my Mi box. It's going to ask, do you want to start screen recording or casting? Tap on start now. And as you can see, now my Pixel screen is on the TV. Okay. So now everything I do on the Pixel is reflected on the TV. Okay. Any app I want, if I want to play games, stuff like that, it's going to be screen mirrored onto the smart TV. Okay. Now, the phone, the Pixel, and the smart TV or the smart TV set-top box have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network for this to work. Okay, so that's the only requirement. Have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi, and everything else works seamlessly. And that is basically how to screen mirror your Google Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro to any smart TV. All right, when you're done, just swipe down, go back to that quick setting, and then select it and tap on disconnect to stop screen mirroring. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.